Stop! You have been eating papaya the wrong way your entire life. Welcome back to Moonlight Food, where we transform your grocery haul into a high-performance biological arsenal. Most people look at the papaya, the fruit of the angels, and see a soft, tropical fruit perfect for a breakfast bowl. But by scraping out those peppery black seeds or throwing away the peel, you are neutralizing the most potent parasite-killing and skin-resurfacing medicine in the jungle. To understand the true power of the papaya, we have to look at its evolutionary genius in the tropical Americas. Designed to flourish in high humidity, where bacteria and parasites thrive, the papaya developed a sophisticated chemical defense system to stay protected. This isn't just a fruit, it is a solar-powered internal surgical kit designed to dissolve biological waste and shield your digestive tract from invaders. When we dive into the nutritional matrix of a papaya, the results are a masterclass in enzymatic science. While it's famous for vitamin C and beta-carotene, the real secret lies in a unique enzyme called papain. This is a powerful proteolytic enzyme that can break down even the toughest protein structures, including the protective biofilms used by harmful bacteria. Furthermore, papayas are a massive source of lycopene and cryptoxanthin, two specialized carotenoids that are significantly more bioavailable in papaya than in many other fruits. But the standout feature is the hidden chemistry of the seeds. They contain carpane and benzyl isothiocyanate, compounds that have been scientifically shown to exhibit significant anti-parasitic and liver-protecting properties. When you consume papaya correctly, you aren't just eating, you're providing your body with a targeted chemical signal to deep clean your gut and skyrocket your skin's collagen production. The health benefits of this tropical miracle are especially profound for your digestive efficiency and your skin longevity. The papain in papaya works as an internal biological exfoliant, clearing out undigested protein residues from your colon that cause bloating and brain fog. For your skin, the massive dose of vitamin C combined with lycopene acts as an internal sunblock, repairing the skin from UV damage and promoting a smooth, glowing texture. Moreover, the high fiber and water content act as a precision-tuned hydration system for your cells, ensuring that nutrients reach your tissues with maximum speed. It is a complete internal renovation system wrapped in an orange-pink flesh that keeps your body's internal systems running with peak precision. However, the reason I told you that you are eating it wrong is due to the seed mistake and the green peel truth. This is critical. Most people scoop out the black seeds and throw them away. This is a massive waste of medicine. Those seeds are the world's best natural gut cleaner. To eat a papaya right, you should save those seeds. They have a spicy, peppery kick. Blend a few into your smoothie or dry them and use them as a pepper substitute to kill internal pathogens. Furthermore, the papain is most concentrated in the latex of the unripe green skin. While you shouldn't eat the skin of a ripe papaya, you can use the green peel to tenderize meat or steep it to make a powerful digestive tonic. Also, never eat papaya seeds if you are pregnant, as the high concentration of certain enzymes can interfere with hormonal balance. Of course, even a life-saving superfood like the papaya requires some strategy. Because papain is so effective at breaking down proteins, eating too much overly green papaya can irritate the mouth or throat. Additionally, papaya has a mild, natural latex protein. If you have a latex allergy, you must be extremely cautious with this fruit. Most importantly, avoid the GMO trap. Many papayas on the market today are genetically modified to resist viruses. If you want the pure ancestral medicine, always look for non-GMO or organic varieties, like the smaller Hawaiian Solo or the large Mexican papayas. Selecting a superior, nutrient-dense papaya is a game of color and feel. Avoid papayas that are completely green and rock hard, unless you're making a green papaya salad for digestive enzymes. Look for a fruit that is transitioning into a vibrant yellow or orange-red. Give it a gentle squeeze. It should feel like a ripe avocado, firm but with a slight give. The skin should be smooth and have a healthy sheen. The ultimate secret is the scent test. The stem end of a high-potency papaya will have a faint, sweet, musky aroma. If it smells like nothing, it was picked too early and hasn't developed its full enzymatic profile. Once you have your perfect papaya, storage is about ripening. Keep it at room temperature until it reaches full yellow-orange saturation. Once ripe, move it to the refrigerator and eat it within 2 days to prevent the enzymes from breaking down the fruit's own structure. By choosing the most vibrant fruit and embracing the power of the seeds, you're turning a tropical breakfast into a powerful cornerstone of your health strategy. Stop treating the papaya as just a soft snack and start treating it as the gut-cleaning and skin resurfacing miracle it truly is. Your gut, your liver, and your skin will thank you.